Do you want to know how to remove terminated employees in SSS Online? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how to remove terminated employees in SSS Online. To remove the terminated employees, open your computer or mobile phone browser. Type in the address bar, www.sss.gov.ph. On the official website, click the Employer Portal button. Log into your employer's user ID and password. Click the Sign In button. On your employer account, go to the Payment Reference Number module and select the Contributions option. Cancel the current PRN by clicking the Cancel button. A dialog box will appear. Click the Yes button. Input the reason for cancellation and click the Submit button. Once cancelled, click the Collection List Details option. Determine which employee you want to terminate and click the pencil icon. Change the remarks from employed to terminated. And then input the date of separation. Click the Submit button. Click the Save Changes button and the Create Partial List button. Move the active employees to the partial collection list column by clicking the single arrow right button and then retain the terminated employees in the original list column. Check the box beside I am done and click the Prepare Partial List button. A dialog box will appear, just click the OK button. Congratulations! You have successfully removed your terminated employees from SSS Online. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.